Jane Discipolo, taking up Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in ICT, second year. I'm here to locate the parts of sewing machine. First is the slide plate, second, the needle, third, throat plate, fourth, needle clamp, and fifth, thread guide. Next is pressure bar lifter. Next one, stitch regulator. Next, pressure foot. Next one, thread take-up lever. And next is pressure bar. Next one, this is upper tension. Next, this is face plate. And next one, this is needle bar thread guide. And the next is bobbin winder and balance wheel. Next is spool pin. Next is rubber ring. Next is the feed dog. Next is the belt. And the last one is the bed. Those are the parts of sewing machine. Thank you and God bless.